of not knowing what to do. I've known it's right and wrong since I've been 10. I've heard a lot of stories, and I reckon they're true, about how girls are put upon by men. Now I know I mustn't fall into the pit, but when I'm with a feller, I forget. I'm just a girl who can't say no. I'm in the circles of things. I always say, come on, let's go, to spend my other savings. When a person tries to kiss a girl, I know she ought to give his face a smack. But as soon as someone kisses me, I somehow sort of want to kiss him back.